Plus, you are an entrepreneur. How do you define yourself?
I'm a woman who does multiple things. Yeah, that's how I would define myself.
Women are usually multitasking.
Yeah, they
You
have
know,
the superpower.
they have the superpower. You know, they
Yeah.
also make the man dance on their tune.
And that I don't know. But I feel we women have this superpower. We are born with it. All of us, like you're just telling me you're doing this, you need to move to another one, and then you
Yeah.
also have
Yeah.
family.
Yeah.
We women take care of everything together at once, and I think it is our superpower.
Yeah, there's a generation gap between you and me, but nowadays the this Gen X, they are so good doing multiple things, like now you're going to do this blue tick.
Yes.
What do you have to say about the blue tick? What do you have to say about the influencers? What is the secret about them?
I think they put themselves out there always. They first do the experiment,
Yeah.
they take on everything first, and then if it ends up working, then they end up influencing another person. They will try on everything for you so that you get a better understanding of something. I think influencers are influencing this entire generation. They are making such a huge change with what they say, what they wear, what they do. I'm surprised, I'm taken aback, but I'm also so happy that this is happening and we are in this generation.
And in the bargain, y'all are making fast buck.
But again, we put ourselves out there and go through so much so that another person gets a better experience of our experiences.
Exactly.
So it's not just a fast buck, it's also, I mean, you end up seeing the money part of it, but a person who's putting themselves out there, they are doing it on consistent basis. And then just one thing you end up noticing. It's like a duck, right? You're only seeing the smooth sailing, but not the hard work that's going under the water.
As you said, we always see the smooth sailing. There are children like y'all, they also work hard. Exactly. So what is the hard work that goes in, for the social media? You have to be so creative
You have to be
on the
creative.
spot.
You have to be ahead of your time.
Yeah,
You need to look your best, be your
exactly.
best, because you are influencing in some way. So there's also so much responsibility. We don't want to say anything without verifying it, which is our show, which is all about. So whatever you end up doing as a big influencer, it becomes your responsibility. So I do feel that it requires a lot of hard work. It does.
Exactly. Yeah. But since you said about the blue tick, so much goes under the carpet also.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about the dark side of the getting the blue ticks? How organically it works and how inorganically it works.
Organically, it'll work in a way if you have made a name for yourself and your work
Exactly.
is actually good, and what you are doing in terms of influencing or whether with your work or with your content, that's great. Then Meta ends up verifying you, right?
Yeah.
Then for some people, it becomes so verification is such a badge. So Meta has also made that possible that you can buy it. And when it's a verified account and it comes to you, you immediately think, oh, it must be somebody important. But ever since it's become a thing that you can buy it, I feel it has lost its value.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's
So
not authentic.
so now you need to, as a viewer, need to know who's actually authentic and who's bought it.
Yeah. Though I'm not very techno savvy, pardon. How did you feel when you got the blue tick?
The first time when I got for my account, naya naya tha, so I think I felt good. I was not like overjoyed. I thought ki, oh, it's important for us people who are actors or public personalities to have verified accounts so that even Siddharth keeps on saying, because people make fake accounts and then they can scam people. So when you're verified as an account, then it just sets you apart. I remember recently my brand account got verified. Wow. And that I was trying for such a long time because you can't, even if I wanted to buy, I could not buy because company account, you need a physical PAN card. For that, I didn't have a physical PAN card even to buy. So I somehow kept on applying, and I got verified, Meta verified. Very good. That was joyous. I remember I was driving and I was just scrolling. There was not driving and scrolling. There was signal. There was a signal. I just stopped to look at my Instagram and I saw the verified badge and I just screamed with joy. I was like, ah! It really happened. It felt really good.
Oh, so Parul, would you like to tell the viewers, how organic verification is, worthwhile,
I
Should they go for that or should they go otherwise?
I think when you are credible enough with your work, go for the organic way because it's much better. It's like if I give you an award or you buy an award for yourself
Oh
and say, "Oh, I
God.
have an award," right?
Yeah.
So it's always good if someone else hands you over an award. It's like an award for us. It's like a little reward that we get for all the work we put on.
Well, talking about the title, Blue Tick,
Yeah.
so much, it's an in thing. And doing this series with Siddharth,
Yeah.
how did it how did you get onto it?
So I got this audition to give with Vaibhav Gashant, who's the casting director. His company is called Anti Casting.
Mm-hmm.
So he had called me at least, us several, and we all auditioned. So during the audition time, there was this one scene given from this movie Queen,
Oh.
and it's not part of the series, so that's why I can tell you. So she records this and she wants to put it up on her social media because eventually her goal is to become an actress.
Uh-huh.
So because when you don't come from a filmy family nowadays, you have access that on social media you can put out your work, and that can get you into, or you can get your
Glitz and glamour world.
yes, and get your debut. And that's what Pallavi follows. And that was the audition scene. And I'm somebody who has been spotted on Facebook, and that's how I came to Mumbai as Parul. So I could relate really hard with it. I auditioned, I was just hoping I get a meeting or a call back. And after a week, I did meet my producer Yatin and Shubham sir, our director. So I just met them, and I think kind of they could tell that okay, she'll be our Pallavi. I went back home, and then later we were just discussing things, and story really grasped me, and I thought this is very close to what I've lived. Felt really just my gut feeling said yes, I should be part of this.
And even the viewers, I think they're going to identify. I think the target audience is youth.
It's everyone, I feel. I think it's also because there's a very big part of parents in this. And I think it's so important for parents to see if their kids are into social media, what they do. So I think it's for everybody. Everybody will relate hard with this. And even nowadays, my mom is also all day on Instagram or Facebook or something. On YouTube, she's YouTube Shorts. Yeah, she loves YouTube Shorts. She doesn't understand Instagram so much. So I think it's so important for parents to see what their children or their kids are doing on social media. This shows you this is like the right window to see from.
As if to say that the children will allow the parents to get in deep into their doings. Do you think so? They are so secretive at times, today's children.
Maybe this will make you understand that why kids are doing something that they are doing, or when they hide also, it comes from a good place, because we are scared. Will they understand? Will they not understand? Will they get upset? Because we also don't want. There's such a funny scene in the series. I don't know if it's part of the trailer. I can talk about it, but because she keeps on doing so much as Pallavi on social media, the parents are
Something
always
about taking a clicking her in the bathroom or something.
no. Like there are these trends, no? Like there was a pillow trend. You wear a pillow dress, you make it.
Yeah.
So it's such a funny thing. The father is like, तुमने तो ये सोने के लिए तकिया नया मंगवाया था. Like, पर मैं सोने के लिए भी इस्तेमाल करती हूँ. So it's such a cute banter between father and daughter. So you see that when kids are doing this, बताएंगे तो डांट पड़ेगी. But social media भी करना है. But the father is also, you see, it's such a nice relationship between the parents and Pallavi. And they support also, but they don't understand also. So I think it's very cute.
I know. Social media is a platform where we can take away all positive stuff.
Yeah.
But today's times, too much of negativity is also being promoted. How do you look at it, platform?
But you also know if you make a negative statement, उसपे views ज़्यादा आते हैं, right? So people end up banking on it. So I feel the good ones, or always the ones that last the longest, will always play on positive. The ones who want just clickbait for few years and they want to be famous, they'll play on negative. It's as simple as that. And हमेशा से हम देखते आए हैं, अच्छाई हमेशा बुराई पे जीत जाती है. So it
वैसे
will
जैसे
always
you
be that.
said कि negativity sells. Gray shades and negativity sells. What are the dark sides that blue tick we will see in?
We will also see that when social media becomes your life and you end up disconnecting from the real people around you because you want to connect so much with the people who are sitting behind their phone screens. You want to reach out to them. So you see, there's a big part of it that um, where she, again with parents only. So you realize that you are losing on the real people who matter just to get that little fame. So we tap on that. We tap on the fact, which is also our campaign, that verify what you post.
Yes.
So she ends up doing something which lands her in trouble with a brand, and then you also see how she works towards it. So
Great. So you have that hair brand also. How careful are you with your brand that it doesn't land up in trouble?
I mean, you have to be at the end of the
What
day.
are the precautionary measures that you abide by?
मतलब कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं बोल दो जो गलत हो या किसी के इमोशंस को हर्ट करे any day. Yeah.
Okay. What do you enjoy more, acting or your entrepreneurship?
I'll ask
Oh.
you, do you enjoy your work or your family? It's just,
It's
big.
just, yeah,
I love
both.
both. I love
Yeah,
both.
both.
I always say I'm married to acting and Nishar is my baby. How can I choose between both? I love both of them equally.
Okay, well, working on big screen, you've been a big star in Punjabi industry also. How do you, are you still doing some films in Punjab?
No, I did it very initially. Now it's been 7 years. I'm doing only web shows. I didn't do a Punjabi film.
Okay, so you
Yeah.
gave a royal dish to your viewers?
What do you mean by royal dish?
Royal dish that you left them in the
No,
lurch?
I didn't.
You're not doing, you'll be doing it?
If I get a good one any day, because Punjabi is my language, I love it. So
Okay.
if I get a chance any day.
Anything else you would like to say about the social media,
Then be
and
careful.
the blue tick?
Don't chase the blue tick, let the blue tick chase you, and be very careful of what you post, because you are influencing, or if you're just starting to influence or get into influencing, do verify what you post, because it can have a good or a bad impact on anybody, and you don't know where it can land you. So don't land yourself in trouble any day. And lastly, watch hashtag BlueTick Verified on Epicon on 19 July. We're really excited.
Okay, and you debuted with a new channel. What is the name?
Epicon.
Epicon. Okay.
Yeah, it's a new
So,
channel. It's one of their big shows, hopefully.
how do you look at your future and the future of the channel from your point? I mean, you took a risk. Do you think so?
I mean, we all did. We all have taken a big risk. And we really are praying that everybody benefits from this, whether it's the channel or the producers, director, us. Everybody's put in a lot of hard work, and we've tried to make a show which is relevant for this generation, this time, mostly this time. So, really hoping, all we can do is pray. We've done our job. Now we can just hope that everybody likes it.
Okay. Lastly, I would like to ask you, what are your future forthcoming projects?
There's something I've started, and then one is going to release. So right now, focus would be on BlueTech. Because they're all in making or going to release. So.
Okay, all the best.
It's web on.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Deepika. Thank you. You were so sweet.
Done.